Welcome to Stock Rover. In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in Stock Rover, the table. Think of it as your ultimate command center for comparing tickers, portfolios, watch lists, screeners, and more, all side by side. Let's jump in. Opening the table is super simple. From the Start menu, click Table. Then choose a data set from My Collections. I've selected under World, the Dow 30. Now think of the table like a spreadsheet built for investors, but way smarter. Each row is a ticker or data set. Each column is a metric. And here's the best part. Stock Rover comes packed with over 700 metrics, including fundamentals, technicals, price performance, ratings, and more. Basically, everything you need for deep side-by-side analysis. Next up, let's talk about views. A view is a set of columns with a name. Each column contains a metric. Typically, views are themed, for example, profitability, price performance, or analyst ratings. However, views are customizable and can be anything you like. Stock Rover ships with over 50 out-of-the-box views. Right now, we're looking at the Return versus S&P 500 view under the Price Performance folder. But let's switch to a basic valuation view. We'll go to Views, we'll select the Valuation folder, and Basic Valuation. Instantly, the columns update with valuation metrics like PE, price to book, price to sales, and more. And if you want more control, you can create your own custom views and organize them into folders. There's also more views available for import from the investor library. Okay, here's where the table gets really powerful, the right-click menus. Let's right-click on the row for Apple. This opens up the Row Action menu where you can open a full research report, view historical data, you can chart the ticker's performance, open the Insight panel for deeper analysis, you can add the ticker to a portfolio or a watch list, tag it with colors or labels. I've created labels for Buy, Research Further, and Watch. You can add personal comments or notes, and even set up email or text alerts. When you right-click on a column header, you get a different menu. Click Explain to see a detailed definition for any metric. You can remove or change columns. You can sort the table. Here we sorted the table by PE in descending order. We can filter. We'll filter for PE greater than 35. You can even group the stocks by color, currency, industry, sector, or tag. So the tickers are now grouped by tag and then sorted and filtered by PE. We'll remove the filter and the grouping. Now let's unlock a few more tricks. From the Start menu, we'll head to the Portfolios. We've selected the Portfolios folder. Notice the checkboxes. That's multi-select. This lets you open up multiple data sets at once, like portfolios, watch lists, screeners, whatever you want. I'll select two portfolios. Let's open the Portfolio Performance view. I'll go to Views, Portfolio, Portfolio Performance. The count and portfolios columns show how many portfolios each ticker is in. Hovering over a ticker reveals even more detail. Clicking Portfolios changes the view so each row summarizes an entire portfolio. We'll switch back to stocks. And up here in the Actions menu, you get even more power. You can create custom metrics. You can export the table as a CSV, or save your current setup as a watch list or portfolio. And you can even add new columns on the fly. Let's add last close price. You can even drag and drop columns to change their order. But the table isn't just rows and columns. Let's check out tile views. We'll switch to the Growth Tiles view. We'll go to Views, Growth, Growth Tiles. Let's free up a bit of screen real estate. Now, instead of rows, each ticker shows up as a data-rich tile. Growth metrics are on one side, and a mini chart right next to them for spotting trends fast. And along the top, you've got some more customization options. We'll go back 2 years, and we'll make the chart larger. If you like data plus charts together for each ticker, tile views are a perfect complement to the table's spreadsheet layout. That's the Stock Rover table, whether you're digging into 700 plus metrics, using right-click shortcuts, or exploring tile views for quicker insights. The table is your central workspace for comparing and analyzing investments. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.